Welcome everybody, I want to welcome you to my channel. I go by the name of Terra Fashionable, and in this video today I'm gonna be showing you how I got my closure looking like a frontal-ish, you know, putting in the work and giving it that wow moment. So here we now, let us jump right into it. This video was sponsored by LUV Hair, and in the packaging I received 2 dust bags, one with some goodies and one with Eva. And this is Eva. She is a 12-inch loose wig bob wig, and she comes with a side part, and the closure is a 5x5. Also, it comes pre-plucked, and the lace is a Swiss lace, the S's. And the density is 180, which is fuller than a 150 density. Inside you have 4 wig combs, adjustable straps, and elastic band for that extra security. And the width and the length is definitely a 5x5, so the closure is true to size. I went ahead and bleached the knot. Straightening the hair out using a flat iron. A pressing comb to tame the hair. Using the tweezer to pluck the hairline to give her that realistic look. And you don't know, like I always say, don't over pluck. We're not doing that. Showing you where I plucked so far, and you can see the difference from this side compared to the other side. When plucking, you don't have to over pluck, just diffuse the density of the hairline and you're good. Now look at this, we on our way, and this is what I take out using the scissors to even the back, but I won't touch the front because it's an A-line bob. Curling Eva the opposite side from my face, and I'm using the hairspray and the section clip to hold the curls. So I'm going to go ahead and curl everything up. And I won't be curling the top until I install her. So right here, I'm gonna be opening the stitch part of the stocking cap, cut it to the measurement of the closure, using the hairspray to set the stocking cap. And this is my new method because when you put on the stocking cap, you can see where the stocking cap begins, and I didn't want that. Apply your makeup foundation that matches your complexion, and also, you know, put it on the wig as well. Using the Ebin Hairspray to get everything intact, and the hairspray is not a glue, but it gives you that secure hold. And to remove your wig, you just need water. Spray it on it and make it stay there for like a minute or less, and you pull it off. That's it. Cutting the mesh off in a zigzag motion, and when I know while going on the camera to focus on a different area. So now, girl, will I give herself a left side part because that's her cute side? Will use the pressing comb and say, yeah, I mean this. So I had to put this part in. If you are your hairstylist, haven't experienced something like this, like getting a bird, clearly she ain't doing something right. You feel me? Like, this is a must. Just kidding. But at some point, you must experience this. But I just wanted them data. All my curling iron did award me because it wasn't performing the right way. Getting Eva nice and flat, tech bun and all, only to change the part to the original side that she came with, which is the right side part. So all of that for nothing. Taking down the section clips, only to realize that it can't work. It's not even, and both sides need to be even. She have to go back to the drawing board and repeat all that she did on the right side to the left side. Now Eva is falling in the right direction and I didn't have to change the parting. Like, I could have cut her, but I have to give you guys as the description of the hair, and I also was avoiding the extra work. Making some baby hair to cover that double lace because you don't want that to be showing. With a 5x5 closure, it is not versatile when it comes to parting, but it is very convenient than a frontal. It's way less work and it makes the job easier. And she is a beginner friendly, especially if you're on the go where you just want to draw something and, you know, out the door. The hair quality is good and the density is on point. If you're interested in Eva, I will link her info down below. It will be a direct link to her, so check out Love Me Here. And this is the final look. Yes, Eva outside and ready.
Them a chat about a thing, but we no care. Tell them we Gucci over here.
If you found this video helpful, you can also give it a like and drop a comment in the comment section. Anyway, later, and I will catch you on the next one. Yeah.
Hold me one if I want buckle of beer. Tell them we Gucci over here.